Smart strategies to save on roof replacement. Replacing your roof is a major investment, but careful planning can help you manage costs while ensuring durability. Plan and budget. Monitor your roof's condition and save in advance to avoid emergency expenses. Compare contractors. Get multiple quotes, check licenses, reviews, and warranties. Choose cost-effective materials. Asphalt shingles are budget-friendly, while metal offers long-term savings. Time it right. Schedule during off-season for better pricing. Maintain regularly. Small repairs extend roof life. Leverage savings. Explore tax credits, insurance benefits, and DIY prep. Prioritize quality to ensure a long-lasting, cost-effective roof.